Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
U MLA ka Mawsynram constituency uba Olan Sing Suny ula penpau ka jingso Lyngngoh halor ka jingwan Hiar Thma ki Hati ha ki Jaka rep jong ki tu ki Shinong ki bahab Mawsynram constituency bat ulaong bakanikam jukham jakoj hanrei kalawan ja dang hagini gisi ulaong bahadu menta omtep ka kenhun jong ki Hati ki wanmi nae hanrei ulaong bakiwan na ka Thaiñ ranikor bat usuba bakila banwan na ki Thaiñ bal pakram na rilom garo hadu menta ulaong bakampat don ka jingsa pen mansau jong ki briu lajno ka jing penjulor ya ki marep ulaitho bahadu menta ki nongrep kidang tingsa yo bakini ki Hati ki wanmi biang kumta ula pentep syakatnat badai pej ban le ya ka badon kam.
Of course, there was a wild elephant going rampage in my constituency. It was there for the last 1 year now. They have caused damage to the standing crops, and of course the few dwelling houses were also damaged. And I have taken this report to the concerned department. Even I have spoken in the assembly. And recently this week also I met the principal chief conservator of forest to see that these elephants were driven out from the area because people were afraid that if these elephants are still there, now even they are afraid for the sowing of the seeds, paddy seeds also, because they are fear of the impending danger of damage by these wild animals. No. These originally they enter from Ranikor side. Maybe I do not know. Maybe from our program side to Ranikor, then Ranikor to my constituency, and in fact they were about to leave our place. They are going back to the entry point. They are about to exit, but they came back. So that is the fear. So I was discussing with the Forest Wildlife Department, and they are taking care of this. So we'll see after a few days what action will be taken. 5. Yes, 5 then. No injury has caused to any civilization or to the human, except to the few dwelling houses and the standing crops. I am pursuing the matters to see that my area, this top area, the affected areas, may be considered under elephant project. I have been pursuing with the government, so I don't know whether it will be notified or not. That is the matter we are examining. No, it is the first time. I think it is the first time that the elephants entered in my constituency since last 1 year. Well, otherwise, I have not heard of any elephants in my constituency.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.